BGSU consists of about 94 buildings and a little over 4.5 million square feet. We worked with ICE Cobotics and brought on 3 Cobi 18 units. Utilizing autonomous equipment really helped us augment that staffing challenge. So we're able to look at it as an addition to. So it's not a replacement of a person. The month of February, we added 245 hours of labor, and that previously wasn't there by utilizing autonomous equipment. Our staff are able to focus on the other critical area, but also work on some of that detailed work. They're hitting restrooms, conference rooms, or classrooms. They're continuing to work. For every hour that we run that piece of equipment, we gain at least that hour in productivity by accomplishing something else.
Pre-Cobi, I would say that the floors probably took closer to 5 to 6 hours to do. And now they're taking like half that time. With Cobi 18, I think that, the shine on the floor has improved. The floor looks cleaner. I think it's because Cobi 18 gets ran daily now. Cobi is pretty easy to understand and learn. They just showed me the one day how to train him on to do a route, and after that, I just started learning on my own. He's pretty simple to understand and learn. So far, the reaction for students, staff, faculty, they love him. They'll stop and they'll take videos of him and, talk about him and ask us questions. Some of them know their names and they'll be like, hey, where's he at?
Utilizing iSynergy and its tracking software, in the morning, like I said, I come in and we'll look at when did a piece of equipment run, how long did it run, how much square footage did it cover, and if it didn't cover what we thought it should cover, going back and assessing why it didn't. But then again, I'm able to take that report, give it to my supervisor and say, here's the investment we've spent, both resources and time and training our staff, this new equipment, here's how it's paying back in its value. What really drew me to that subscription model was the updating capability. Understanding that in 2 years, 3 years, whatever the case may be, technology will be different, and we're able to then fold that potential future cost into our operating budget. What we have now probably won't be the same we have in 18 months or in 36 months. So really for us and for me and in my role, made sense to do that versus try to purchase units and technology.
Somebody came and asked me about Cobi 18 and if I would recommend him, I would totally recommend him. I mean, he saves you a lot of time. He does a great job. I would just show them how he runs and let them decide for themselves because he's that good.